Hello, for today's video is unboxing of my parcel from SEPCO or Samsung Electronics Philippines Corporation. So I just received this parcel few hours ago. So yeah, it's totally sealed and with some stickers and tags from the Samsung itself. So yeah, Samsung. So, well, let's do the unboxing. So, as you can see, may tag pa rin ng Philippine Airlines. So, security check daw. So, an overview lang po nito is, I bought this keyboard kasi nag-sale. Bluetooth keyboard that can be used for different purposes. But, my purpose of purchasing this is for my gadget. So, wireless keyboard that is working well with Samsung ecosystem devices. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. So as you can see, it's totally sealed from the in and the outside, and may mga signatures pa nila to prove that it's totally sealed, never been tampered. So, medyo lisod siya, abrihan yun, totally sealed. So, some by the way, the courier is also LBC, one of the courier partner ng Samsung. So, Samsung trusted thoroughly LBC because when I purchased one of my device, Samsung Galaxy S25, one of the courier nila is LBC rin. However, I opted to pick it up sa store mismo. Kay malisod na basic bato ang moabot, at least ko sa tindahan mismo ng Samsung ako tag-pick up, may maka-certify na bato or ano man galing niabot. But however, store pick up purchases from Samsung website is only limited for mobile devices or mga certain value. But since it's just a cheap keyboard, so they don't do the store pick up. Guntingan na lang ako ini pagtarong kay Jay mga package content sa ilayom na murag something kuan I should ampingan. So I have here now the keyboard, medyo bugat, and the official receipt for warranty claims or whatever. Medyo bugat siya. So later na tanang pa other mga loon. So, another documentation for invoicing. And the thank you poster or something card from Samsung for thanking you for your purchase. However, why ako ing-ani atong nag-purchase ako ng cellphone. So, yeah, the box itself is may pa-thank you. So, now, testingan natin yung pag-abre. So, gana yung packaging kay medyo eco-friendly, dili kon patuhan ni plastic na buto-butohon ni Jo. So, this is just a paper version. So this is now the keyboard that I purchased. Samsung Smart Keyboard Trio 500. So, this is a Bluetooth enabled keyboard rather. So, one of the feature of this is that it's well designed for Samsung products, specifically if you are into Galaxy Tab or laptop or smartphone like the S series or Note series if available pa sa Ejo. So yeah, it is. If I'm not mistaken, the original price of this is around 2,500 plus, but since nag-sale is only around 800 plus vouchers and discounts and promos na na-receive na ako from Samsung. So, hopefully, Samsung can sponsor another product. So, a moment of truth. So, ingani siya. And inside of the box is we have it here ang quick start guide or ang manual. So if you are into reading the manual, so you have it here in different language and translations. But as we know that gadgets today are self-explanatory and kumbaga they work out of the box immediately. Later, I will be posting the full detailed review of this keyboard. So yeah, medyo, I don't know nakabugat if battery or the keyboard itself. So, although naadiri ang pull the tab para automatic mag-on or activate, but abrihan nato ini para for the curiosity of everyone. So, dili ko na ito ma-open if what kind of product or battery ang gamitin na keyboard. Bugat siya jud guys. Okay, so naabrihan na nato ang back portion. So, the battery that this keyboard use is AAA. And ang naka-shock pa na part is Energizer ang brand sa battery. Dili kung typical na made in China na tag kilid-kilid ragani. So, nice one Samsung for having the free battery. Energizer pa kajud branded and Energizer Max. Yeah. So, nice one Samsung. Dili kung murag ma-feel nimo ang premiumness sa imong gipalit og worth it na product. Like sa battery pa daan kay I was expecting na putyo-putyo ra gani na battery. But Energizer ang pakapin. So this is now the entire keyboard. So I will do the walkthrough later.